Noah, is everyone on the call yet? Are we missing anybody? Hello.
Yes, sir. No, sir, you can start now. I have also started the recording.
Right, I'm asking, is everyone on the call yet? Are we waiting for somebody?
Sir, actually, we give the time of 6 and it's been 6:15. We can't do anything if the delegates are not joining. Otherwise, there are
All
total
right.
13, 14 delegates in the committee, but if they are not joining, we can't do anything. So I think you should proceed.
Just do me a favor, put a
Yeah.
message on the group that because the point is I'm going to tell certain things in the session that I'm not going to repeat. And when we're going to start debating on the conference days, I'm not going to repeat these things.
Okay, so I will just put a message
Yeah,
on it.
just put a message that I have to tell certain important things. So it'd be great if everybody can join. All right. While she is doing that,
Arnav sir, it's preferred that you all, turn on your videos because this video will go up on YouTube.
okay. All right.
All
Just
of
give
you.
me a second. Just give me a second. Hold on. Just give me a second.
And the rest, Afghanistan, Korea, Niger, Dominican Republic, Germany, South Africa, Sudeep sir, Shreyas Sudeep sir.
Delegates, kindly turn on your video for the better interaction. Arnav, sir, you can start. Sir, your mic is on mute.
Oh,
Yeah.
hello, delegates. My name is Arnav Bhardwaj. I'll be serving as your president for this simulation. Um, I'm just going to start with a basic round of introductions and just get to know a little better about you guys. Yeah.
Absolutely, sir. Thank you very much. I am Shreyas Sudhimitra. I will be serving as the co-vice president for this committee, along with Arshia ma'am. I'm currently a class 10 student from Faculty High Secondary School, Guwahati, and that's all from my side. And I'm looking to having a great session with you all. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I almost didn't tell you guys a little bit about me. So, specifics. I'm currently pursuing a management degree from the University of London, and I have been MUNing for about 5, 6 years, I guess. I've lost count now. Done a lot of UNSCs, probably my favorite committee to do. I understand that all of you are experienced delegates and you know your fair share about MUNing. But just in general, um, guys, also if you could turn on your videos, that would be great. And starting from the top, let's just do this. Okay, is Arsha on the call?
I'm here.
Arsha, so we just did a simple introduction. Do you want to do something like that?
I mean, I'll introduce myself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. So I'm Arsha. I'll be serving as your vice president as well, along with Shreyas. So um, I'm a 10th standard student as well from MGD School, Jaipur. And I have been doing MUNs for, I guess, 2 years. And pretty much UNSC is absolutely my favorite committee to do. So I hope this committee helps you learning more about the MUN and everything else, and helps you speak up more and have self-confidence when you're speaking. So that's it for me.
Amazing. So, okay, how we're gonna do this is, I'm gonna start by asking like a few basic questions from you guys, just so that I can understand what your, what do you say, level is like, so that I can tell you whatever that needs to be told for us to have a great session. Here, have done less than 5 UNSC committees. Anyone else? Okay, great. No worries. So why I asked that question specifically is for two reasons. Okay, and for people who have actually done more than 5 UNSC committees, can any of you tell me what a consultation is? And guys, turn on your mics. I can not hear you, and this will be like just a lecture if I just keep speaking and I don't hear any of you guys. Anyone, raise your hand, unmute yourselves. Anyone who wants to give it a shot. Okay, no worries. All right. So that was just like small trivia question that I was asking you. So consultations are essentially so UNSC in the UN headquarters in New York has two rooms. There is a room that you see in all of the pictures that I'm sure that you must have seen if you have had the good fortune of actually going to the SC headquarters. Then that room. So that's the room that we all see, that we all associate with the UNSC. Surprisingly enough, most of the work or the real heavy lifting of the Security Council is actually not done in that room, but done in a consultation room. I'm sure you must be familiar with the word backroom lobbying. So essentially, the consultation room is a private meeting room wherein the backroom lobbying or the actual details and nitty-gritties of international agreements that you see take place in. So yeah, that's that. Okay, so I know most of have done a fair share of MUNs. Do you guys need a revision of rules of procedure? Any doubts on that? Can you could just simply raise your hands if you do have doubts about it.
Delegates, there is an option called Participants tab. When you open it, there is an option called Raise Hand. So you can raise your hand from that
Nora?
option if you don't know.
Would you mind doing me a favor? I'm making you the host. Go to the main room. There UNCSW meeting would be starting. So like you'll have to moderate that. I'm giving you the host rights so that you can. Yeah. So you can continue.
Yeah, guys. I mean, koi issue hai? Is there a problem? Nobody is talking. This feels like I am the only one talking. This is not
Delegates,
gonna
can you
work like
unmute your
this.
mic and please make this session a little bit interactive?
Sir, considering that we are all here in UNSC and people who are usually experienced with MUNs,
And guys, I'm sorry, I'm using it on my phone, so I cannot see everybody at the same time. If you're speaking, let me know what is your portfolio,
okay.
and then speak.
Hello, I'm France, this side,
Okay.
delegate of
Hi,
France.
France.
So,
Yeah.
considering that many have done MUNs, only then they usually participate in SC. So, I don't believe that there
Hello, Nora. Start.
Yeah, I am admitting
Yeah.
people.
Start admitting people. जो भी CSW वाले हैं, keep them here. I'm going to assign me the breakout room, please.
Okay, I'm waiting. Aditya Shresh
तो तुम
Agarwal assigned to breakout room 1. Yeah, I have assigned you.
अरे कर दिया बट CSW को यहाँ पे रखना है इनसे पूछ लेना जो भी अगर
हाँ जो भी आएंगे कौन CSW के हैं कौन किसके हैं.
हाँ और कोई भी इशू आता है गिव मी अ टेक्स्ट ऑन व्हाट्सएप है ना मैं SC वाली मीटिंग में हूँ.
Okay. Russian Federation, you are from SC or CSW?
CSW.
And Misbah Sheikh. Ma'am, your mic is on.
Sorry,
Yeah.
yeah, I have to rename myself. Just one second.
Ma'am, you are from CSW or SC?
CSW.
Okay. French Republic, you are from CSW or SC?
CSW.
Okay.
Chair, I have to pass on a message from the delegate of Australia. She will be joining at 7 p.m. IST. She has a class before that.
Okay, ma'am, it's okay. And ma'am, though I'm not the chair, your chair will be joining on soon. I'm the Director General of the MUN.
Okay. Just a request, don't call me ma'am.
Yeah.
You can call me Miss Bao.
Saloni, you are from CSW or SC?
Hello.
Ma'am, you are from CSW or SC committee?
Ma'am, I'm from CSW.
Okay, great, ma'am. Pinky Kabra, you are from CSW or SC? Same with Parmeet Kaur, you are from CSW or SC? Ma'am, I'm not able to hear you.
Voice is inaudible.
Ma'am, you are from CSW or SC?
CSW.
Okay, and Canada, you are from CSW or SC? So your mic.
CSW.
CSW, okay. Palash, you are from CSW.
Nora,
Yeah,
Nora,
Aditya.
line means
Yeah,
breaking. Yeah.
Aditya, your voice is breaking. Uh, Harshita, you are from CSW or SC? Same with USA and Syria. You are from CSW or SC?
I'm from
CSW. CSW.
And
Same.
Harshita, you are from CSW or SC?
CSW.
Okay. So all the delegates who are here are from CSW, right? Okay.
Yeah. I
Okay. Okay. Delegates, are there anybody who is from SC?
Sorry, ma'am.
Is there any delegate who is from UNSC?
No, ma'am. I don't think so. Is anybody there?
Okay, thank you.
No problem, ma'am.
Okay, so your chairperson is joining in. Parag sir is your chairperson.
Hello.
Parag sir, just a minute.
Yes.
Israel, are you from HR? Are you from UNSC or UNCSW?
No, he's from Israel. Is from our committee only, I think.
Actually, sir, there is actually SC session is also
Yeah, I
going on.
know.
Yeah, so that's why I asked him whether he's. Okay. Sir, it's already 10 minutes and 11 delegates are there. If you want to start, you can.
Yeah, I'll be starting. Could you please make me the host so that I can lower the hands and mute whenever.
Sir, I can make you the co-host because if someone.
Yeah, it's a breakout room.
Yeah, that's nice.
Make me the co-host.
How do you do that? Yeah. So there is only option of making a host.
Make me the host then.
Okay. Yes, sir, you are the host now.
There are these people waiting in the breakout room. These are unassigned people.
Sir, these are all the delegates who are there are the one in unassigned, so don't send them anywhere. You can just start the session normally.
To be the host, I just delegates just lower your hands when your query is resolved, right? Fine. So delegates, can we please unmute ourselves for once? Then we'll start with the session.
And also delegates, please turn on your videos.
Delegates, videos on.
Okay.
Sir, perhaps actually, sir, my camera is giving me a problem. Like whenever I turn on camera, the app
It's
shuts
okay.
down
It's
by
okay.
itself.
It's okay, delegate. So how are you all? How are you, delegate of Iceland, Denmark, Brazil, Belgium, India, USA, Syria, Canada, French Republic, Israel, and also the Director General? How are you all?
We are good.
Good.
Good, sir.
Good,
Fine,
sir.
sir.
What about you?
I'm also doing great.
So kindly turn on your video also if you can.
No, actually, my camera doesn't work. My laptop's camera is broken, so
That's
I can't turn
okay.
that on. Yeah. So delegates, सबको याद है कल क्या किया था? मतलब किसी को कोई डाउट तो नहीं है? मतलब ऐसा तो नहीं कि नहीं मैं भूल गया या भूल गई? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So I'll be sharing my screen. Array host, let me share my screen now.
Yes, sir, just a minute.
Sir, I'm making you the host. You can start screen sharing.
Why did you make me the host? Why are you playing this game?
Sir,
Post my host.
so you can be the
Chalo,
host.
fine, कोई नहीं.
You can do screen sharing. If any person you admit, just tell me. I will ask him if he is from CSW or SC.
Fine. So I hope my screen is visible to everyone. So like
Yes, sir.
delegates, today we
Yes, sir.
don't have. So today we don't have the vice chairpersons. So I will be the only one who will be entertaining the doubts also, and I will be the only one who will be explaining. So please cooperate. Fine. This was something which you already had read about yesterday, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So fine. So, as I had already told you, whenever we yield our time, we yield our time either to chair, to fellow delegate, or to POIs. There was this POI, which was point of information. Here's this point of information. Fine. Is my cursor visible?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. It's
Yes, sir.
visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So this was the POI, point of information. Fine. So we actually have 4 points. First is point of personal privilege. Second is point of order. Third is point of parliamentary inquiry, and fourth is point of information. You all can write these points down, and then I'll explain what all these points are. I am waiting for 10 seconds. Write these points, take a screenshot, take a picture, do whatever you want. I'll be waiting for 10 seconds. Just to let me know whenever you're finished with the writing. Fine. Should I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what is a point of personal privilege? A point of personal privilege is used when you're when you're feeling uncomfortable, when you're not feeling when you're feeling uncomfortable, or you're not feeling good, or you have some issues. Fine. For example, can you see this child? This child wants to pee. Fine. It's his personal privilege. This girl wants to drink, which means she is thirsty. It's a personal privilege. Fine. So, for example, if you are in a physical conference and you are feeling hot and you want the secretariat to turn on the AC, so you will raise a point of personal privilege that I'm feeling too hot. Could you please turn on the AC? Fine. Or speaking of the online conference, where to use a point of personal privilege, because we all are sitting at our homes. So we'll use a point of personal privilege whenever, let's say I'm the delegate of India and I'm speaking too fast. The other delegates are not able to understand what all I'm saying. Fine. So just a second. Noora, I'm accepting this UAE. So please ask this person. Fine.
Sir, it will be of CSW. UA is not there in the SC.
Okay, great. So we have sorry, delegates. So where was I? In an online conference, let's say I'm the delegate of India and I'm speaking too fast and other delegates are not able to understand. So one of the delegate can raise a point of personal privilege. For example, a point of personal privilege, the delegate is going too fast, or if I am not audible, if I'm having some network issues and my voice is breaking, so you can raise a point of personal privilege. Sir, the delegate was not audible. Taking the example of a physical conference, for example, the delegate is speaking too fast. Like, for example, I'm the delegate of India. Fine. If the delegate is speaking like this, then you can raise a point of personal privilege that the delegate does not, I cannot understand the delegate, he is speaking too fast. Fine. So at that point of time, we use a point of personal privilege. Fine. Whenever we are feeling uncomfortable or our personal privilege is being violated, at that point of time, we use a point of personal privilege. Understood? Any queries in point of personal privilege?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Then we have this point of order. Now, delegates, I'll explain this point of order at last. Okay. Then we have this point of parliamentary inquiry. Now, what is a parliamentary inquiry? We also call it as point of inquiry or point of parliamentary inquiry. Both are one and the same thing. Then we use a point of inquiry when, for example, delegate of Brazil. So delegate of Brazil is having an issue with the rules of procedure. For example, delegate of Brazil doesn't know how to raise a motion, or he or she doesn't know that what is the motion for moderated caucus, or any query related to the rules of procedure or the proceedings of the committee. You can use a point of inquiry. The point of inquiry is from the delegate to the executive board member. Fine. Point of parliamentary inquiry is used. For example, I am the delegate of France and I am not able to understand how to raise a motion for moderated caucus. So I'll raise a point of inquiries, and the executive board member will recognize me, and then I'll say, sir, I don't know how to raise a motion for a moderated caucus. Or if I have a query that, sir, point of inquiry, is the individual speaker's time for this moderated caucus 60 seconds or 30 seconds? So all these type of queries either related to the rules of procedure or to the proceedings of the committee. We use a point of inquiry or parliamentary inquiry. Understood? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Then the third is point of information or questions, as you already know. Fine. Point of information is not there in moderated caucus. Point of informations are only in general speakers list. Fine. And that too only when the time is being yielded to point of informations. Fine. मॉडरेटेड कॉकस में पॉइंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं होते हैं, सिर्फ जीएसएल में होते हैं, और वो भी तब जब अपना कोई बंदा टाइम यील्ड करता है पॉइंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन को. नॉर्मली एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड मेंबर्स को कभी लगता है अगर कि हाँ मेरे को कर लेना चाहिए, तो इट्स अप टू द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड मेंबर. इफ दे वांट दे कैन हैव पॉइंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इन द मॉडरेटेड कॉकस आल्सो. ठीक है. फाइन. एनी क्वेरीज इन तीनों पॉइंट से लेके? अगर है तो अभी पूछ लो. मैं इन तीनों की क्वेरीज साथ में देखूंगा और इसकी अलग से देखूंगा. तो इन तीनों से रिलेटेड कुछ भी क्वेरी है? यस सीरिया.
Sir, so in this committee, like, what are we going to have? Like, are we going to have point of information in the
delegate? It totally depends. Like in the committee, if I find that all the delegates have done good research, they have good points, then I'll entertain point of information in a moderated caucus. And delegates also, if point of information is entertained in a moderated caucus, you guys can gain marks for that from that. So better prepare your speeches well. Fine. Any other query? Delegate?
No, sir.
Okay. Now point of order. देखो, point of order मैं आपको यूएनए यूएसए के आरओपी के हिसाब से बताता हूँ, जो एक्चुअल रूल्स ऑफ प्रोसीजर के हिसाब से पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर कहाँ काम आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if the executive board member has made a mistake while proceedings of the committee, for example, मेरे को मॉडरेटेड कॉकस के बाद जीएसएल पे रिवर्ट करना चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू द मैंडेट, पर मैं नहीं करता, मैं डायरेक्टली अनमॉड पे चला जाता हूँ या मैं किसी और चीज पे चला जाता हूँ. तो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एनी डेलीगेट कैन रेज अ पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर कि सर यू हैव मेड अ मिस्टेक इन टेकिंग फॉरवर्ड द कमिटी. अगर ईबी से कोई मिस्टेक होती है कमिटी की प्रोसीडिंग्स में, दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू रेज अ पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर. फाइन. ये जो मैंने बताया पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर, ये एक्चुअल आरओपी के हिसाब से बताया. बट क्या होता है हमारे इंडियन सर्किट में, पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर को हम एक और काम के लिए यूज करते हैं. हम पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर को यूज करते हैं फैक्चुअल फैलेसी के लिए. फॉर एग्जांपल, मैंने अपनी स्पीच में, मैं कनाडा हूं, मैंने अपनी स्पीच में बोला कि राहुल गांधी इज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, जो गलत है. तो any delegate can raise a point of order, preferably delegate of India, but any delegate can raise a point of order and say कि sir, point of order, Canada has spoken wrong, the Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. So this is a point of order जो हम इंडियन सर्किट में फॉलो करते हैं. इंडियन सर्किट में पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर को फैक्चुअल फैलेसी के लिए भी यूज करा जाता है. फाइन. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द, मतलब ये आप लोग अपने दिमाग में क्लियर रखना, अगर कोई आपसे फ्यूचर में पूछे कि पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या होता है, तो आपको बताना है कि पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर वो होता है जब कोई ईबी, जो डायस होता है, डायस या एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड मेंबर एक ही चीज होती है, अगर डायस से कोई गलती हो जाती है प्रोसीडिंग्स ऑफ द कमिटी में, तो हम पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर यूज करते हैं. पर अगर इंडियन सर्किट के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो हम फैक्चुअल फैलेसी के लिए भी यूज करते हैं पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर. तो ये क्लियर रखना कि किसी को ये मत बोलना कि फैक्चुअल फैलेसी के लिए यूज करते हैं, क्योंकि फिर अगर तुम्हें कोई, फॉर एग्जांपल तुम एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड के लिए कोई इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो किसी कॉन्फ्रेंस में, आपसे पूछे व्हाट इज पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर, तो हमेशा पहले यही बोलना कि ईबी से अगर डायस से अगर कोई प्रोसीजर मिस्टेक हो जाती है तो हम पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर रेज करते हैं, बट इंडियन सर्किट में हम लोग फैक्चुअल फैलेसी के लिए भी यूज करते हैं। फाइन, अब देखो मैं बताता हूँ। पॉइंट ऑफ पर्सनल प्रिविलेज रेज करोगे, मार्क्स नहीं मिलते हैं। पॉइंट ऑफ पार्लियामेंट्री रेज करोगे, मार्क्स नहीं मिलते हैं। पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर यूज करोगे, अगर हमको लगा कि हाँ सही है तो मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं, बट पक्का नहीं है। लेकिन अगर पॉइंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन रेज करोगे तो पक्का से मार्क्स तो मिलेंगे, भले ही 0.5 मिले बट मिलेंगे जरूर। ठीक है, ये बात ध्यान में रखना। पर्सनल प्रिविलेज नो पॉइंट्स, पार्लियामेंट्री इंक्वायरी नो पॉइंट्स, ऑर्डर माइट गेट पॉइंट्स, but point of information 110% some points. Any query, any doubts, ask.
No.
I hope I am clear.
Yes, sir.
No
Yes,
doubts?
sir. No,
Okay.
sir.
Great. Fine. ये मैं थोड़ा सा टाइम पास के लिए डाला था, ऐसे ही देख लो। नाउ चिट्स, देखो चिट्स क्या होती है, आप दो तरह की चिट्स लिख सकते हो। ठीक है, एक होती है जिसमें आप अपना एक डेलीगेट टू डेलीगेट भेज रहे हो। फाइन, वन सेकंड डेलीगेट, जस्ट अ सेकंड।
Parag sir.
Delegates, just give me a second. I have this call. Just a second.
April 16, 50 or 10.
Sorry, delegates. I had this important call. Yes. So, yeah, there are three types of chats. Fine. The first is when you write to a delegate, to another delegate. For example, I am delegate of India and I am writing to delegate of USA. The format for that is to, fine. Just a second, I'll show you. Yeah, my screen is visible. I hope my screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So for example, I am writing to the delegate of USA. So to USA from India. Fine. And then I'll write XYZ. It's up to me what I'm writing. Fine. So this is a chit from our delegate to a delegate. Fine. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको बताया था द बेस्ट वे टू टैकल, अगर आपको आंसर नहीं आता है देन यू से कि आई आंसर वाया चिट. तो अगर आपको देखो इस पे जो है आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. अगर आप ये वाली चिट लिखोगे तो आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. ठीक है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिलेंगे, क्योंकि हमको पता ही नहीं है. हम जो ईबी है हमको पता ही नहीं है कि आपने चिट में क्या लिखा है. डेलीगेट को आपने कुछ भी लिखा हो, हमको क्या पता. फाइन, तो उस पर आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. ये जो चिट है ये आप ईबी को लिखते हो. फाइन. टू एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड फ्रॉम इंडिया. आप इसमें क्या लिख सकते हो कि आई वांट टू ऐड माय नेम टू द जीएसएल. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम उस टाइम स्पीकर्स नहीं पूछ रहे हैं तो आप भेज सकते हो चिट. या फिर आप भेज सकते हो कि आप कुछ भेज सकते हो कि द डेलीगेट ऑफ यूएसए सेड wrong, sorry, the correct thing is ... अगर आप ऐसा कुछ लिखते हो, ठीक है, तो हम आपको मार्क्स देंगे, क्योंकि इसके मार्क्स मिलते हैं क्योंकि आपने कुछ पॉइंट आउट करा है कि यूएसए ने ये गलत बोला है और सही चीज ये है. ठीक है, इसके मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं और नहीं भी मिल सकते हैं. ठीक है, अनसर्टेन है, डिपेंड करता है आपने क्या लिखा है. तो फर्स्ट चिट इज डेलीगेट टू डेलीगेट. ठीक है, डी टू डी, और ये होता है डी टू ईबी. बहुत गंदा आ रहा है मेरे को पता है. ठीक है, इसमें आपको मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं, इसमें आपको नहीं मिलेंगे. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? Understood, delegate?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes.
So now we have this one more type of chat. For example, आप जो आंसर कर रहे हो डेलीगेट को, आपने जो बोला था वाया चिट, वो तीसरे टाइप की चिट होती है जिसमें आप लिखते हो टू यूएसए फ्रॉम इंडिया वाया ईबी. तो मतलब पहले ये ईबी पहले इंडिया से ईबी के पास जाएगी, ईबी उसको देखेगा, मार्क्स देगा, और फिर उसके बाद यूएसए के पास जाएगी. तो इसमें आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, डिपेंड करता है आपको जो लिखना है. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? तो तीन टाइप की इसमें आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे. ठीक है, इसमें आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे. अंडरस्टूड डेलीगेट्स?
Yes, sir.
तीन टाइप की होती है, डेलीगेट टू डेलीगेट, डेलीगेट टू ईबी, डेलीगेट टू डेलीगेट वाया ईबी. ठीक है, यस यूएसए?
So points of information can be raised via chits. So
yes.
Yeah.
It can be raised via chit. तो आपको उस टाइम पे वाया ईबी भेजना पड़ेगा.
Sir, but I was just, and one more thing, sir, about that, you said that the delegate or dash said something wrong. So, sir, that has to be like in the format of a point of information, I guess, a point of order, I guess. So it should be via EB to the delegate, no?
It's up to you. If you don't want the delegate to see, if you just want the EB to know, then you can send the EB directly.
Okay, sir.
Yes, delegate of Iceland.
So if we ever think that a fellow delegate of ours has a similar stance of what we have, or we agree with them on certain levels, and to pledge alliance with them on the particular topic that we're discussing, can we use pickup lines, or do we have to use a very formal tone?
I still didn't get your point. What do you want to say?
Like, okay, so out here in my school, whenever we have MUNs and we want to send chits to other people, like fellow delegates, we pledge alliance with them. If we think that we have a similar stance or we might work together, we send them pickup lines, you know, like for example, you know, I'm good in geometry, so let me replace your X without you asking why. You know?
No, you can't have that.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyone else? Any other queries? Fine. Seeing none, basic ROPs, we are done with the basic ROPs. Fine. So these are the basic ROPs, and when on the day of the conference, uh, if there's something which is left out, I might have left that because I had thought that I should explain that in committee. For example, the this thing, what we say, draft resolution and all. I have left that intentionally. It is because I will explain that in the committee only. Fine, because we have these first timers, they won't be able to understand that. So that's why I'm not explaining the draft resolutions in the training session. Yes, Belgium.
Sir, what about the substantive chits? Like, will the committee entertain substantive chits or not?
Yes, the committee will entertain substantive chits.
And how many substantive chits per day?
I'll have to discuss that with the vice chairs also, because one of the vice chair is like handling the chit section. So I will have to like speak to them about that.
Oh, okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes, USA.
So about that draft resolution and stuff, I just wanted to ask you that can we go for a working paper?
Delegate, that totally depends on the committee. In
So
the committee
because
only. Yes.
I just wanted to know that because if we go for a working paper, so we all can be together and we can end up making one working paper. Because if we go into draft resolution, so we'll have a split, obviously, like
Yes,
US,
there's
Russia, and
blocks.
China would never be together. But
There was
taking
some
this in mind,
delegate. There was some delegate who texted me for asking are blocks appreciated or not.
so because seeing this, it's a bit sensitive topic. Obviously, that's about women rights. So I guess a working paper would be better in the committee.
No, like delegates, it's up to you. If we find in the committee that there are two blocks, fine.
Yeah.
Then we can go for the draft resolution. If we think that there are that the committee is running good and all the delegates have this mutual consensus, then we'll go for the working paper.
Yeah, because I just had this in mind, like women.
There was this
security,
delegate,
safety,
I don't remember, but there was this delegate who texted me that are making blocks appreciated or not, and I responded him or her, I don't remember.
Because
So
I don't want that taking a sensitive topic like women, like, so in this case we should split and fight. So like I don't
delegate,
want. So I
that's
just
totally
wanted
up
that
to
working
all
paper.
of you. That's
I
totally
just
up to
wanted
all
to
of you.
confirm you're okay with the working papers, no?
I am okay with the working papers, but if there are two blocks, then I'll go
Then
for draft
we'll
resolution.
for sure go for draft resolutions, because in working paper we can violate our foreign policies, no, going together, like USA,
Depends on
China,
the
and
delegates.
Russia.
Yes, depends on the delegates. Totally
Thank you,
depends.
sir.
Yes, Australia.
Actually, I got late. I told you the reason for it. I wanted to ask if you'll get the recording you shared the last times too. If you can share it of
depends.
this
Yes, ma'am, we will share it in the group. You can see it from there.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, French Republic.
Sir, I wanted to ask that what kind of jets, like the ones you explained, hold most marks?
Via EB.
Thank you.
Yes, delegate of Syria.
Sir, like if the committee decides to go for the working paper, like can the countries send them individually also, because working paper, like generally they can send individually also.
Yes, you can send them individually.
Sir, but what about the signatories? Because working paper needs at least 1/4 of the committees as the signatory, I guess.
Yes. Sorry. Yes, delegate.
Sir, so
You can have some people with you if you are doing that.
Sir, so can we propose a working paper, like just how we're going to form a working paper to form an alliance?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
I said that, like, what if we show, like, what kind of working paper we would be forming so that we could have an alliance? Can we do that?
Yes, that's what I was saying. If we have these, like, if you are forming alliances and doing that stuff, then obviously you'll have two blocks in the committee. Fine. If you are having two blocks, then you can go for the draft resolution, or else you can also go for the working paper and then the draft resolution. That will also work.
Okay.
Excuse me,
Thank you.
sir.
Yes, Israel.
So one thing, like in my earlier MUNs, working paper doesn't need 1/4 of the signatories. It's the draft resolution, I think, to be presented in the committee. Working paper can be submitted like alone to the chair.
Delegate of USA, anything?
So I guess he was talking about the press release.
No.
No, Achan, no, because sir, no. I'm sure that working paper needs 1/4 of the committee as the signatories. That I'm sure.
पता नहीं यार, I'm having this confusion. एक second.
Yes, sir. I'm sure that working paper needs signatories.
एक second.
Sir, yes, working paper needs signatories. Plus,
Sir,
I
and
think
even
that since this is a small committee, we should only go for one working paper.
no. Yeah. So that's what the main purpose of having a working paper was that we all are together. Because
Yeah,
if we actually have to split and make blocks,
It's okay.
then
Just
we
a
should go
second.
for
Just a
draft
second.
resolution.
I'll let you know. एक second.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Chair, the delegate of Denmark is asking to explain the chit via EB system again.
Via EB, I'll explain it again.
Her hand raised option doesn't work.
So, can I add up on something, as you're not discussing draft resolutions and all?
What do you want to add up on to?
Sir, I just wanted to make it aware for the first time was also that for the working paper, everyone can come together. Like, you don't have to look over your foreign policies for the working paper.
So, excuse me, sir.
Yes, delegate.
So one thing, like if we go according to the CSW mandate, it doesn't include any working papers or any draft resolution.
Exactly. That's what I was saying right now.
The mandate of the CSW includes an annual report that is being prepared and which is sent to the United Nations Women Committee, which prepares
Exactly. That's what I was reading the mandate only.
So better if we make a report or a press release that would be according to the
Nahi,
mandate.
but yaar, we exactly don't follow the mandate of CSW, because we usually in a conference prepare the draft resolutions or the working papers in a CSW committee also. It is because we are simulating the MUN. We are not simulating the United Nations. We are not exactly working according to the United Nations. Fine. There are a lot of things which we are not doing according to the mandate. So it's okay if we have this, what we say, a working paper and draft resolution in a committee.
Sir, but making blocks in a women committee is useless because no country.
That's what the delegate of
point,
USA
that
was
making
saying.
points for the women committee. That's what my point was.
That's what the delegate of USA was saying. No.
Would be more appropriate than a draft.
Would be something
Just a
It will include everything discussed in the committee.
Yes, sir. As it's not that, it's that every country faces problem in such topics. Some more and some less. So it's better that
so,
all of us
like, we should
work
have
together.
mutual solutions. Now that's what my point was. Because if we go for the draft resolutions, we would split into and what would be the solutions? Everybody would having conflicting solutions. Then
Whereas as the problem is common, so like the solution should also be common that every country
Yes, sir.
accepts.
So why
Draft
would we go for a
resolution.
DR when we have conflicting solutions now? So
Yeah,
that's what I
DR
said.
also.
That's why I proposed
DR
the working
also.
paper.
So we can't
DR
deny
also we don't.
India can't violate their foreign policy.
DR mein we can't violate our foreign policies, but in working paper we can.
Yes,
Working
and
paper mein,
this
because
kind of
everyone can come and
Delegates-
form one working paper.
Delegates, this is a CSW committee which doesn't lay much emphasis on the foreign policy, because USA and China won't say that they are going to violate their rights for women. They will agree that they have rights and they would like to make them more
Said
efficient.
delegate of Israel,
They
I don't
stand
think
on
you
the
can
same
ever go
point.
against your foreign
Who is the
policy. The whole
delegate?
point of anyone is to have
See,
a say
delegate.
about what your country has. You cannot ever go against your foreign policy.
Asha, can
That
I
doesn't make any
add upon
sense then.
something? Delegates, all over the committee, we can fight that you do this, you do that about women security. Like someone can say now that your soldiers deployed in Syria are actually like violating your policies and they're harming women. Obviously, someone or the other can raise this point, but at the end, for the solution, they're saying that we all should be together. No. अब ऐसा तो नहीं है ना that will not fight in the committee only. That would be like something a bit boring after that.
I would suggest that like all countries should work together, just like USA is saying.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. You guys can
I'm saying
obviously.
the same thing. I don't have any problem with the countries working together. I'm just saying, what is the point if we go against our own foreign policies? The foreign policies are laid out so that the countries can work together, but at the same time, they know what's happening in their country. Of course, if USA, for example, would not take back all of their, troops from Syria or Palestine or anything, of course, because they have a say over there. But you cannot go against your own foreign policy, can you, USA?
Delegate, what I was trying to say, I was saying that you fight in the committee. Like obviously in a mod session, that is not possible. Na, that I don't oppose China. I should oppose China. I should oppose Russia. But my point is, at the end, we all should be together when discussing the solution.
Excuse me, I think it was the delegate of Iceland speaking. Ma'am, foreign policy is where your country stands on a particular topic with the relation of other countries. And USA, China, Russia all have been like supporters for
Delegates,
empowering women and
like after reading, I remembered कि देखो, first of all we won't be having a DR in the committee, okay? Because I was reading out the mandate. We don't have this draft resolution in a committee in CSW. We either have a press release or we can just finish up with the working paper. Fine. Now, one of the delegates asked that if whether he can make his own working paper or not. Which was the delegate?
So the delegate of Syria.
Syria, yes, you can be an author of one working paper, but delegate, you will require these 1/4 committee as their signatories. Fine. Now,
Sir,
Syria,
how many are there? I mean, like 1/4 approximately.
I don't have that roll call sheet or the country matrix in hand. The delegates are still registering. Fine. So delegate, you can make your own working paper and you can have 1/4 committee as your signatory. And delegates, अगर तुम लोग एक working paper में signatory हो तो तुम दूसरे में भी हो सकते हो. Fine. और वैसे भी working paper सिर्फ एक reference inference के लिए होता है DR बनाते वक्त. Fine. Working paper as such कोई official document नहीं होता UN में. Fine. वो बस ऐसे ही document होता है, कुछ as such official documents में से नहीं आता है working paper. Fine. तो हम working paper बनाएंगे और कोई चाहे तो अलग से भी बना सकता है. Fine. And you can have 1/4 strength of the committee as your signatory.
So,
and for passing the working paper, we can have 50+1 delegates.
So, I just had to, I just had a doubt that if you're
isn't even an official document.
Sorry?
So working paper isn't even an official document. How can we vote upon it?
But
yes, it contains the solutions. So
it contains the solutions exactly. Delegates, listen. It isn't an official document presented in United Nations working paper. ठीक है, working paper United Nations में present नहीं किया जाता है, तो official document नहीं होता है. But हम लोग उस पे वोट इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि हम लोग DR नहीं बनाते. हम लोग MUN में आए हैं, हम लोगों को कुछ सिखाना तो पड़ेगा ना कि वोटिंग कैसे होती है फाइनल डॉक्यूमेंट पे. फाइनल डॉक्यूमेंट कैसे बनता है. अब हम थोड़ा मैंडेट फॉलो कर रहे हैं, वी आर नॉट मेकिंग द ड्राफ्ट रेजोल्यूशन, बट एटलीस्ट हमको वर्किंग पेपर के साथ में वो थोड़ा फील आना पड़ेगा डेलीगेट्स को कि हाँ तुम कुछ फाइनल डॉक्यूमेंट प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो. वी हैव दिस प्रेस रिलीज, बट we'll go for working paper.
So
तो फिर 2/3 मेजॉरिटी से पास रखते
Delegates,
हैं
raise your
अपन.
hands. We can recognize you now. Yes, USA.
So like if we are saying this that it's not how can we discuss it if it's not even a formal that so like we also don't have AIPPM and such committees in United Nations, but we still come over that.
What's the question here?
So no, I was just making it clear, sir.
Thank you for making it clear. Anyone else? Yes, Israel.
Excuse me, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
सर अगर हमें वर्किंग पेपर पे वोट करवाना है तो फिर हम 2/3 मेजॉरिटी रखते हैं, 50+1 भी क्यों रखते हैं? देन
कमिटी छोटी है ना डेलीगेट, अगर बाय चांस 2 वर्किंग पेपर बने तो
फाइन. कमिटी में 2 वर्किंग पेपर्स लाइक
look, delegate, it's up to your perspective is different. There might be another delegate who wants to make his own working paper. It's up to you. And delegates, you can be a signatory in 2 working papers, but you can't be an author in 2 working papers. Okay? Yes, delegate of India.
So, which means that it's compulsory for having 1/4 of the signatories or not?
Yes, it's compulsory. Like I can have, it's up to me if I want, I can deny, but yeah, I will take 1/4 signatories in 1 working paper.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Anyone else? Any other queries? Any delegate? Any queries? All those delegates who didn't understand the concept of working paper, signatory, author, 1/4 strength, please just ignore all the talks which we had in all this time of working paper. I will explain it in the committee again properly. So please don't panic और थोड़ा सा भी ऐसा मत करना कि हमको समझ नहीं आया है क्या नहीं है. Normal document होता है. Fine. Delegates, no more questions related to working paper or draft resolution or signatories or authors. उसके अलावा किसी को कोई डाउट है तो पूछो.
So my raising hand option is not working, so can I speak?
Yes.
So I want to understand that why I pitched it again.
Okay. For example, delegate, you are answering a delegate or you are asking a point of information to a delegate via chat. Fine. So you can send that chat. मतलब अगर for example अगर आप point of information committee में पूछते हैं without the chat normally verbally, तो आपको obviously marks मिलते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Fine. तो हम आपको सुन रहे हैं इसलिए हमने आपको मार्क्स दिया. So वैसे ही we don't have these point of informations in a moderated caucus. So उसके लिए what we do is we write a chat. Fine. We write a chat जिसमें we write our question, our point of information, and we send it via EB. मतलब the chat first comes to the executive board member. The executive board member marks the chat, and then it's sent to the delegate whom you are sending to. Fine. So अगर हमको EB को बताना है कि you are asking this question या फिर we are answering this question या कुछ है, then we write this via EB in the chat. ठीक है?
So that is too when we don't have to speak it orally, right?
Yeah. When we don't have the opportunity to speak it verbally, or when we can't speak that verbally and you want to answer via chat. Like बहुत बार ऐसा होता है किसी एक बंदे से, for example delegate of Iceland is speaking and I ask for POI and there are 4 people for POIs. So I'll entertain 3 POIs and the 4th POI I will ask the delegate to send it via chat. Fine. It's one and the same thing. You'll be marked accordingly.
Excuse me, Parag sir. This is Rehan, the vice.
Yes, Rehan.
Apologies for joining late. I had a meeting with one of my professors and I just got like 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. I just wanted to know how much is left and where all.
We are done with the ROP and everything.
Okay, so we are taking the questions and like what are we doing right
Yes,
now?
we are taking the queries right now. So the
Okay,
delegate
okay,
of
thank
Belgium
you,
wanted
sir.
to know that how many substantive chats in a day we are going to take.
Well, there's no defined number as
No, like
such, to be honest. Like,
it depends upon the executive board member. That's why she was asking.
yeah.
So you and Sophia ma'am can please decide on this and please inform the delegate of Belgium.
Okay, I'll get in touch with the delegate of Belgium via chat. Okay.
Okay, via chat.
Yeah, just so that everyone does not get disturbed.
Yeah, sure. Yes, delegate of French Republic.
Sir, actually, I have no doubt. I just wanted to say that actually I have some work, so can I leave the meeting?
Yes, delegate.
Thank you, sir.
Noora, you can now stop the screen recording because we are done with the session. So yes, Syria.
Sir, can there be two authors for the working paper, for one working paper?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Parag sir, are we going with the draft resolutions or working
Working
paper, or will
papers,
that?
because we don't have
Okay.
these draft resolutions in CSW.
Oh, even better. Okay.
Any other doubts, delegates? Yes, USA.
So what about the sponsors for the working paper?
Delegate, I will, as I was saying, no doubts regarding the working paper or the draft resolution to be entertained now, because delegate यहाँ पे बहुत सारे first timers भी हैं हमारे साथ, so they will get confused. If you have these queries related to the working paper draft resolution, I will surely entertain the queries. Please DM me on WhatsApp. I will entertain your queries.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anyone else? Fine. Noora, you there? Hello, Director General.
Delegate of Belgium, are you still there?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I've left you a question on the chats. Can you please come
Sir,
with
I've
your
just
questions?
replied.
Okay, I'll see to that. Thank you.
Delegate of Denmark, please leave the working paper and everything. भूल जाओ, ठीक है? Working paper or ignore all that. I'll be explaining that in the committee session again. Everything अच्छे से और ज़्यादा अच्छे से. Fine. So delegate of Denmark, please ignore the working paper and all fine part.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Anyone else?
Parag sir, do you want to ask me something? You are unmuting me again and again.
Yes, I'm telling you to stop the screen recording. We are done with the ROP session.
Okay, sir.
Yes.